Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on Python's trading model. So the trading model in Python actually enables concurrent execution through multiple threads within a single process, and threads share the same memory space, making them ideal for input-output bound operations, where operations wait for external resources. As a part of Python's standard library, threading allows your program to continue running while certain operations await completion, such as during network requests or file operations. So what are the key features and usage of threading? We have the thread class. This provides methods like start method, run method, join method, and is alive method to control execution. We also have the thread creation, where we have create threads with thread into in parentheses target is equal to functions and execute with the dot start method. There are also management utilities, which includes active count method, current thread method, and enumerate method for thread management. While threads are easy to implement, they remain limited by Python's global interpreter law, or GIL, for CPU bound tasks. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.